So it's been a crazy week. I'm hoping that when I go home, I'm going to be able to film some fall decorating. I don't know how much I'll get done, but my husband has actually had my car the entire week. His reverse broke. His he went to put it in reverse at work, and the cable that makes that work, I guess, snapped, and he couldn't put his car in reverse. So we had to order the part, wait for it to come, blah 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 blah. But today is Friday, and I do have my car back, and I am so happy to be in my car, because this week, of course, his car breaks the week where it's absolutely gorgeous. Not when we have a heat wave and you want to be home. No, the week you want to be out every single day because it's gorgeous. At least I have Friday. So I'm here at Savannah's favorite bagel place. She's going to get bagels, and we're going to go to the beach, our favorite little beach spot, to eat breakfast. That's one of her absolute favorite things to do. And I promised to take her to Barnes & Noble's today because we're just antsy and want to be out for a little bit. I do want to squeeze a walk in. I might go back and get Dozer and take him to the dog park and walk down there. But it's been a crazy week. I'm not going to go into details, and I would appreciate a little bit of privacy on this end because, again, it's not my business to put out there. Do you know what I mean? Other than my son has come home. I don't know if it's permanent or not or yet. I don't know how long he's gonna be here. I don't have details. So our home's been a little chaotic. We had to we moved my desk out of my office and put it in my daughter's room, and my daughter was kind enough to give up her room for her brother for a while, and we put a blow-up bed in the office for Savannah to sleep. It's just been crazy. We've had to rearrange our home, and just, it's been a little bit of a chaotic time, plus the things that he's dealing with. So this week has been a little nuts, so I just ask for your forgiveness and patience with me, because I should have put out 2 or 3 videos already, and I haven't. Things have just been a little cray. So I want to enjoy today, and even if the only thing I get done is spending time with my daughter, taking her out because she is chomping at the bit to be out, and I don't blame her, and it's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful breeze. Tomorrow, the Jersey Shore is getting hit with that hurricane, not a full frontal hurricane. It's going to pass by us, so it's already starting to get super windy. We're going to have super high winds. They're saying anywhere from 50 to 75 mile an hour winds. We've had rip currents. People have gone missing. Boaters have gone missing. Fishermen have gone, men who crab for a living, they've gone missing because of rip currents, and the waves have been so bad because of the hurricanes that keep passing through. Well, we got another one passing through, and tomorrow we're supposed to get super high winds, some coastal flooding, and things like that. So tomorrow is going to be really yucky. The weekend is going to be really bad. So I'm really happy that we're getting out today. So long story short, and my little bunny trail there, I'll just be happy if today, I get home and I get to decorate my 3-tier tray for fall. If that's the only thing I get done today, fall-wise, I'll be happy. Because in all honesty, I want to go home and rearrange my whole kitchen and move things around and then decorate it. So that might be a weekend project and maybe Monday's video. So I'm going to take you along with me today as we go about our day. And hopefully I go home and I have the mojo and the motivation to at least get to my 3-tier tray decorated for fall. So let's go do this beautiful day. Already feel the storm kind of blowing in. It's really pretty. We're enjoying the morning. kids. Ah, she made that for it though. Alright, on the way to Nobles. Yeah, the winds are gonna get more intense. Whoop, my hair's a mess. Grab the door, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna go to team fixing.
How's my hair look?
Okay.
Okay.
They took a weird picture of BTS in this.
These are all coloring books. We're just a little coloring obsessed. Just
You
a little. Looking at all.
This one I like and I want it.
We'll see. Just a little obsessed with coloring books at the moment.
K-pop.
And K-pop. And the pink drink.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Dad!
Ew! What?
Those are water buffalo.
Smallest water buffalo I ever did see. Good morning. That's how I feel. It is pouring down rain again. We have had nothing but straight rain. I think this is the fourth day. The wind, third, fourth, whatever. The winds have stopped. The winds aren't as bad. We lost electric in the middle of the night like twice. The winds aren't as bad, but the rain is ridiculous. And the rain is not going to go away. We're going to have this all week, they're predicting, because another hurricane called Felipe, whatever, is now coming up the coast as well.
That is ridiculous.
I am such the person that weather and light affect my mood. And this dark, dreary, rainy stuff makes me feel so sleepy and lazy and unproductive, and I don't want to do nothing, and I'm trying to fight it.
Look at me.
So today I'm going to try to work on my 3-tier tray and get that up and done. And then I'm going to stop this vlog and I'm going to work on a new one throughout the week and do some more decorating, hopefully in my kitchen. I just really have to push myself. Like, I really need to walk and stuff, and I want to walk outside, but I know I can't because it's raining. So I need to put Leslie Samsung on and just do it in my house. But, like, I don't want to because I want to be outside. I feel like a little 3-year-old throwing a tantrum. I don't know about you guys, but just weather and light and all that, it just really affects my moods, and I don't like it. So do you hear all that? Yeah, I hear sirens and stuff. But anyways, I have coffee brewing. I'm gonna wait till my coffee brews, and with a nice warm cup of coffee, I'm gonna get my 3-tier tray decorated and this video up for you guys.
In the hurting, in the blue, you're the one I hold on to. I'm putting all my hope in you. I will wait upon you, Lord. And just because I'm in this pain doesn't mean I can't be whole again. Faithful to the very end, I will wait upon you, Lord. I will wait upon you, Lord. And I will wait upon you, Lord. Even when I cannot find the answers, why I still count on you. Walking with you every day, even when I can't see your face. Oh, let patience have its perfect way. I will wait upon you, Lord. Yeah, and I will wait upon you, Lord. And I will wait upon you, Lord. Even when I cannot find the answers, why I still count on you. I will wait upon you, Lord. And I will wait upon you, Lord. Yeah. Even in the darkest night, I can see the light. It's still shining through. I will wait upon you, Lord. I will wait upon you, Lord. Even when I cannot find the answers, why I still count on you. Ooh, I will wait upon you, Lord. Yeah, I will wait upon you, Lord. Even in the darkest night, I can see the light. It's still shining through. Nothing below, nothing above. No matter how low I get, Lord, you are enough. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can separate me from your love. Lord, you are King of kings. I'm here to give you everything. It's my whole life that I am offering. I give it over to the King of kings. I give it over to the King of kings. Nothing before me, nothing in my past. Even in the storm, Lord, your peace surpasses. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can separate me from your love. Lord, you are King of kings. I'm here to give you everything. It's my whole life that I'm offering. I give it over to the King of kings. I give it over to the King of kings. I give my heart, I give my soul. Lord, I give up control. Every part of my day, Lord, it's yours. Have your way. Give my heart, give my soul. Lord, I give up control. Every part of my day, Lord, it's yours. Have your way. You are King of kings. I'm here to give you everything. It's my whole life that I am on.